Have you ever felt constantly tired, sluggish, or bloated without knowing why? Maybe your skin looks dull, or your digestion just isn't quite right. The truth is, our modern lifestyle exposes us to so many toxins daily, from pollution, processed foods, to stress. And our bodies sometimes need a little extra help to cleanse and recharge. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to start feeling better. In fact, some of the most effective detox solutions are sitting right in your kitchen. With just a handful of simple, natural ingredients, you can create delicious and refreshing drinks that support your liver, kidneys, digestion, and overall health. Today, I'm going to show you 9 easy detox drinks you can make at home. Each one carefully chosen to target different aspects of your body's natural cleansing systems. Whether you're a detox beginner or looking for new ways to boost your wellness routine, these drinks will help you flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve your energy and skin health, naturally and safely. So, grab a pen and paper because you'll want to try these recipes for yourself. Let's dive in and start cleansing your body the simple way. This is one of the most classic and easy-to-make detox waters. But what makes it effective? Cucumber is over 90% water, making it an excellent hydrator. It also contains cucurbitacin, a compound known to help reduce inflammation and support the kidneys by acting as a mild diuretic. This helps increase urine output and flush out toxins faster. Additionally, cucumber contains silica, which supports skin clarity, a good indicator of internal detox health. Lemon takes this drink to the next level. It's packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells and boosts the production of glutathione, the liver's master detox compound. The citric acid in lemon juice helps increase bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and removing fat-soluble toxins via the intestines. Finally, mint not only adds a refreshing taste, but also helps soothe the digestive system and can reduce indigestion or bloating, which supports gut detox. How to prepare: slice 1 organic cucumber, add 1 lemon into thin rounds. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Soak in 1.5 to 2 liters of filtered water and refrigerate overnight. Drink throughout the day. This green juice is packed with ingredients that support liver health, digestion, and sugar balance. Green apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that binds to toxins in the gut and helps carry them out of the body. Pectin also stabilizes blood sugar, which reduces liver strain. When your blood sugar is out of balance, your liver must work harder to maintain glucose levels. Spinach is loaded with chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants that can bind to toxins and heavy metals in the digestive tract, especially aflatoxins, which are linked to liver cancer risk. Chlorophyll can trap and remove these toxins before they reach the liver. Spinach also provides magnesium, a mineral required in hundreds of detox-related enzyme reactions. Ginger is the digestive powerhouse. In this trio, it boosts gastric motility, enhances bile flow, and contains gingerol, an anti-inflammatory compound that supports circulation and helps flush toxins more efficiently. How to prepare: blend 1 green apple with skin, 1 cup of spinach, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and a squeeze of lemon with 1 or 2 cups of water. Drink fresh, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. This drink is best taken first thing in the morning. It's warm, soothing, and wakes up your digestive and detox systems. Start with warm, not hot water, around 250 milliliters. Warm water is important because it stimulates the vagus nerve, helping to gently activate your gut and digestion after sleep. Now add the juice of half a lemon. As we mentioned earlier, Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which support liver detox and help with bile flow, essential for eliminating fat-soluble toxins. Now we add raw honey, about 1 teaspoon. While honey adds sweetness, it also contains natural enzymes, polyphenols, and antibacterial properties. But more importantly, raw honey helps soothe the stomach lining, making it ideal for those with gastritis or mild inflammation of the gut. The combination of warm water, lemon, and honey also helps stimulate peristalsis, which is the rhythmic contraction of the intestines, helping with regular bowel movements, a key detox pathway. For an optional immune and anti-inflammatory boost, you can add a pinch of cinnamon or cayenne pepper. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, while cayenne increases circulation, helping detox compounds move more efficiently through the blood and lymphatic systems. How to prepare. Warm 250 ml of filtered water to a gentle temperature, not boiling. Add the juice of 1 per 2 lemon and 1 teaspoon raw honey. Stir gently and drink slowly on an empty stomach. This golden tea is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory detox drinks, especially for the liver and joints. The star ingredient here is turmeric, which contains the active compound curcumin. Curcumin has been studied extensively for its ability to activate liver enzymes that break down and flush out carcinogens and other harmful compounds. It's also a potent antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress on liver cells, especially useful if your body is dealing with pollutants, alcohol, medications, or heavy metals. Ginger, as we covered earlier, promotes digestion and enhances bile production, but it also increases thermogenesis, the body's ability to produce heat, which may assist in mobilizing fat-stored toxins. Adding a pinch of black pepper dramatically improves the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000% thanks to a compound called piperine. You can sweeten the tea with a little raw honey or maple syrup for taste, and add a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C and flavor complexity. How to prepare. In a small pot, bring 2 cups of water to a gentle boil. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 to 4 teaspoon grated or powdered ginger, and a pinch of black pepper. Simmer for 10 minutes. Strain into a mug, add sweetener and lemon to taste, and sip slowly. This tropical green smoothie is light, refreshing, and fantastic for digestive and kidney detox. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down protein in the stomach and aids in overall digestion. Bromelain also has anti-inflammatory properties, especially helpful for reducing swelling and supporting tissue repair. Basil, particularly holy basil, tulsi, has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It's considered an adaptogen, which means it helps the body manage stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can burden the liver and disrupt detoxification. Basil also contains eugenol, which supports liver enzymes and has antimicrobial effects. Blending pineapple and basil together makes a drink that's not only tasty, but supports gut balance, kidney function, and mental clarity, since gut and brain health are closely connected. You can also add chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. These help bind toxins in the gut and promote smooth bowel movements. How to prepare. In a blender, add 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, a handful of fresh basil leaves, about 5 to 7, 1.2 cup of water or coconut water, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked for 10 minutes. Blend until smooth and enjoy chilled. Celery and parsley may seem like humble greens, but when juiced together, they become a powerful tonic for kidney support, blood purification, and electrolyte balance. Celery is naturally high in potassium and sodium, two minerals essential for maintaining fluid balance. This helps prevent water retention and supports the kidneys in flushing out excess waste. Celery juice has also been found to lower blood pressure thanks to phthalides, compounds that help relax blood vessels and enhance circulation, both vital for proper detox function. Parsley, meanwhile, is a known natural diuretic. It helps stimulate urine production, which directly supports kidney detoxification. It's also rich in chlorophyll, which may bind to certain toxins in the bloodstream and assist in eliminating them. Additionally, parsley provides vitamin K and folate, important for liver enzyme processes. This drink is especially good for people who feel bloated or have sluggish elimination. It's best taken in the morning or midday and followed with a glass of water to assist with hydration. How to prepare? Juice: 4-5 celery stalks and 1 cup of fresh parsley, flat leaf or curly. Optionally, add 1/2 green apple or a squeeze of lemon. For taste, drink fresh, ideally within 15 minutes of juicing. This is the perfect summer detox drink. Ultra hydrating, cooling, and supportive of kidney function and inflammation control. Watermelon is over 90% water and contains a compound called citrulline, an amino acid that promotes blood flow and may help the kidneys filter waste more efficiently. Citrulline also supports liver detox by reducing ammonia buildup in the blood, a byproduct of protein metabolism. Combined with mint, which has soothing properties for the digestive system and enhances bile flow, this drink becomes a great option for hot days when dehydration or sluggish circulation can slow down detoxification. It's also naturally sweet and very kid-friendly, making it a great family detox drink. How to prepare? Blend 2 cups of cubed watermelon, seedless, a handful of mint leaves, and a splash of lime juice. Strain for a clear infusion or enjoy it as a smoothie. Serve chilled or over ice. This one is as visually appealing as it is effective. A detox drink focused on fighting oxidative stress, supporting skin health, and aiding cellular detox. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and powerful antioxidant capacity. These compounds neutralize free radicals, helping protect your liver, brain, and heart from toxin-related damage. Blueberries also support gut health, encouraging the growth of good bacteria that aid in digestion and elimination. Combined with lemon, which boosts vitamin C levels, and fresh rosemary or basil for a gentle anti-inflammatory lift, this water becomes a true anti-aging, skin-brightening detox drink. How to prepare? Add 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries, 3 to 4 lemon slices, and a sprig of fresh rosemary, 1 liter of filtered water. Let it infuse in the fridge overnight and sip throughout the day. This energizing drink combines antioxidants, chlorophyll, and liver-boosting compounds, perfect as a morning or early afternoon pick-me-up. Matcha is a powdered form of green tea with a concentrated level of catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin, gallet, which supports liver detoxification, fat metabolism, and cellular protection. Matcha also contains L-theanine, a calming compound that promotes mental clarity without the crash of coffee. Adding lime juice gives you vitamin C and citric acid, both enhancing detox enzyme activity. To improve flavor and gut support, you can stir in a teaspoon of raw honey or a splash of apple cider vinegar, which may improve digestion and insulin sensitivity. How to prepare? Whisk 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder in warm, not boiling water. Add juice from 1 and 2, a lime and honey to taste. Sip slowly and mindfully. So, there you have it. 9 powerful and easy-to-make detox drinks you can enjoy at home. Each drink has a specific purpose, from supporting your liver and kidneys, to aiding digestion, to improving hydration, to reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. But remember, these drinks are not magic bullets. True detoxification is a lifestyle. It includes hydrating daily, eating fiber-rich whole foods, sweating regularly, and getting quality sleep. These drinks simply help your body do what it's already programmed to do: cleanse, repair, and renew. You don't need to try all 9 drinks at once. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 into your daily routine, depending on what your body needs. Over time, your skin, digestion, energy levels, and even mood will reflect the benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holistic wellness tips. Drop a comment and let us know which detox drink you'll be trying first. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and stay well.